the three system calls which are helping you to either create or access the System 5 IPC channel created with message queue, shared memory or semaphore do use minimum two parameters. The very first one is called as a key and the second one is called as a flag. If you remember, I said whenever System 5 IPC is getting created, the kernel of operating system will first maintain or create a data structure called IPC_perm. And in that, the last variable of which is part of the structure is what is called as a key. And if you could even recollect, the unit 4 key was even called as a namespace, which we have studied when we were learning about named pipe. Key is nothing but a long integer unique number using which you can identify or differentiate one message queue from the other, one semaphore from the other, and similarly one shared memory from the other. So key is nothing but a long integer number. Either you can generate your own long integer number and use it while creating, or you can even use a system call which says F2K file to key, which will help you to dynamically generate one long integer number, and that long integer number generated with the help of the system call will be returned. If F2K, like any other system call, if fails, will return you negative number, which is -1. Now the functionality of F2K says it takes two parameters, both to be character. One, the very first one being the file name, second one being a normal single character. Based on the first parameter, which is the file name, there are two numbers which are generated by F2K system call at its level of functionality. The very first one called as inode number of the file. Next, the device number in which this particular file is existing, that device number. And for the second parameter that you have given, which is a single character, it generates a 8-bit of that particular character. Combining these three numbers, that is the disk or the device number on which this file is there, the inode number of this file, and the 8-bit of the given character. Combining these three, F2K system call will generate me a long integer number and return me. The procedure of which is shown to you in the form of a flowchart below in the end of the slide. Kindly go through it. If you would not like to have this F2K system call, you can write your own, or you can even convert a normal integer to a long integer number, use it either for creation or accessing the System 5 IPC channel. The next important argument of MSG get or SEM get or SHM get would be called as a flag. So the rules for using which we can create this particular flag, which speaks about the type of IPC channel that you are trying to create. Generally, we can create any IPC channel being a private one or a public one. If you would like to create an IPC channel to be a private one only for you, then the flag that we are supposed to use will be called as IPC_private. IPC_private, if you have used, if the channel is existing, that channel will not be accessed. It helps you only for creating a private channel. An existing channel, if you would like to access, then IPC_create is a flag that we need to use, and this IPC_create will even help you to create a public channel. So using this, you can either create if it is not existing, you can access if it is existing. Based on the key, we can decide whether the channel is existing or whether the channel is absent inside your system. If the key that you have used inside the getter functions is already found inside the data structure of IPC_perm, then IPC create will help you to access that. If the key that you have used is not seen in that particular data structure, then this will help you to create a public channel. If you would like to use this IPC create only for creation, then along with IPC create, you need to even add IPC_exclusive. So these are the three things that can be part of your flag. As a recall, as a repetition, IPC_private will help you to create a private channel. IPC_create will help you to either access if it is existing or create if it is not existing only a public channel. If you would like to create a public channel only without accessing, then IPC_create and IPC_exclusive will help you in the job.